So we will have another example of the exact equation. But this time, the example contains trigonometric functions. So since I discussed what is exact equation in my last video, now we will going to have the example. So cosine 2y minus 3x squared y squared dx plus cosine 2y minus 2x sine 2y minus 2x cubed y dy is equals to 0. So first, we are going to identify the function m and the function n. So the function m of x and y, we have cosine 2y minus 3x squared y squared. So this function is from the what the dx have, and the function of n is what the dy contains. So we have here the function of n of x and y is equals to cosine 2y minus 2x sine 2y minus 2x cubed y. First, we are going to check the exactness, or to test the exactness of our functions with respect to y and x. So we have here the um partial partial differentiation of partial derivative of m of function m with respect to y, and the partial derivative of n with respect to x. So um and when going to derive the, or you are going to get the partial derivative of the function m, you are going to have the um opposite function. So with respect to y. So we have cosine 2y minus 3x squared y squared. So we obtain negative 2 sine 2y minus 6x squared y. So to check this, the partial derivative of function n with respect to x must be the same with this. So we have here the partial derivative of n with respect to x. So we have cosine 2y minus 2x sine squared sine 2y minus 2x cubed y. So we obtain this. And since they are equal, therefore the partial derivative of m with respect to y and the partial derivative of n with respect to x is equal. Therefore, it is an exact equation. Since the equation is exact, we must integrate the function m. So we have cosine 2y minus 3x squared y squared with respect to x. So since cosine 2y here will become the constant, so times x, and integrate this, so we have 3x cubed y squared over 3. Simplify this one, so we have f of x and y is equals to x cosine 2y minus x cubed y squared plus q of y. Q of y here is we are going to find next to complete the equation. So this is this will be our equation 1. So our equation 1 is the next step. Our equation 1 will be differentiated with respect to y. So the function, the partial derivative of the function with respect to y, we have x cosine 2y minus x cubed y squared plus q of y. So derive, we have 2 times negative x sine 2y minus 2x cubed y plus q prime of y. Simplify this one, we have negative 2x sine 2y minus 2x cubed y plus q prime of y. Next is to equate this function to the function of to the equation of n. So we will have negative 2x sine 2y minus 2x cubed y plus q prime of y is equals to cosine 2y minus 2x sine 2y minus 2x cubed y. So cancel out those with the same terms. So we have here, cancel these, combine like terms, and this. So we only have q prime of y minus cosine 2y is equals to 0. So transfer the negative cosine 2y on the other side. We have q prime of y is equals to cosine 2y. Next is to integrate both sides to find the RQ of y. So integrate this both sides. So we will obtain q of y is equals to 1/2 sine 2y. Next is to substitute the value of q of y to equation 1, which is here. Our equation 1. Substitute the value of q of y. So we have x cosine 2y minus x cubed y squared plus 1/2 sine 2y is equals to z. So that is our general solution. So that's all for exact equation with trigonometric function related. I hope you learned something.